Welcome to my channel, Viable Things for You. Today I want to show you how to activate developer options in Android smartphone. First you have to click on settings, scroll down until you find about phone, and then click on software information, build number. Just keep clicking on it, clicking on it until it gives you the patterns you have to unlock your phone, or a password, or whatever you have to unlock your phone, and then it will be activated. 1 2 3 4 5 7. Developer mode has been turned on, so we successfully activated developer options. Return to settings to see. If we scroll down, we find developer options in the end of settings. If you want to deactivate the developer options, we just have to click on here, and then if we return to settings, we will not find developer options. Thank you for watching. I hope it is useful for you. Please subscribe and like, and wait for another video. Thank you.